look at how nice and organized everything is in this kit. Hey everyone, Digital David here. Today in this video, I'm going to be checking out the Fanttik X1 43-piece screwdriver bit set. I did receive this product to review, but any opinion expressed in this video is strictly my own. That being said, if you're interested in this product, you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in my video description below. You can see the nice retail box and packaging right here with their logo and branding. We have more product information on the back so you can see the huge selection of bits that we get with this set. Now let's go ahead, let's open it up and look at the contents. Here are all the package contents. We have the set itself. Now let's go ahead and open it up. So to open it up, go ahead, press in from the side and gently pull it out of its nice metal storage case. We have 43 pieces in this set. Let's go ahead. Let's remove this top section. You can see all of the included pieces right here. Everything's color coded for us. A wide variety and range of options here. So we have 1-inch bits, we have 3-inch bits, and we have our magnetic nut drivers as well in here. So check that out. Look at how nice and organized everything is in this kit. You may have noticed too, it's not going to move around. The bits and pieces are not going to fly everywhere or anything like that. Because you can see I have it back in the case. I can shake it up right here and watch as we open it back up. You can see everything is stationary and in place, which is really nice. If you want to keep this in maybe a backpack, your tool bag, that sort of thing, you'll be able to transport it and not have to worry about reorganizing everything after you transport it. So we got the nice magnetized nut drivers. You can see all of our different bit options with that varying length, and everything is color coded for us. So we know exactly what we're working with very, very easily. So you can just visually see everything and grab and go as needed. So these bits will work with any standard screwdriver with a 1/4-inch hex head like the one we have here. This is also from Fanttik. This is the Nex L1. So watch as I go ahead. Let's take one of our nice longer extension bits right here. Let's just drop it right in. You can see it fits great, nice and snug, and it works great as well in our cordless screwdriver. Let's grab another one. Love the color coding on here. So no issues there. Tons of different options we can use. This is a really cool bit too. So this can protect our bits, and you can see it's scalable. So look at that, depending on what we're using. So we could go ahead and put in, let's say this one, just like that. And then we can hide it and protect it. Look at that, so cool. And then we can bring it right back out. So we have a lot of different options here. Really cool options depending on what we're doing. Maybe we're repairing some electronics, some DIY projects. Whatever you encounter, you'll be able to use all of these bits for a wide variety and range of tasks. Let's do another one right here. Let's drop this guy in. So this is our T20. You can see T20 is all set and ready to go as well. So they'll fit your standard 1/4-inch hex head on a screwdriver. So we're going to use the bits on this TV right here. So say you wanted to make some TV repairs, you're going to go ahead, you're going to grab your nice Phillips head extension right here. We're going to pop it in place. Now we're going to back out this screw. So just drop it down in there, line everything up with the screw, just like so. And now we can go ahead and we can loosen it. And then we can pull it out and check that out right there. Nice magnetized tip for us. So the screw is going to stay stationary and in place, strong enough to hold it and grip it properly. Now say we completed our repair and we're ready to put it back together. We're going to just gently drop it back down in place. And you can see it's going to tighten back down. And we're all set and ready to go. It's that simple. Now let's work on one of these shallow screws. Same thing, we're going to grab the bit that we want, make sure that we have it in reverse, and now we're going to loosen everything, and we can pull it out right there. Same thing, magnetized tip end. Pretty cool. So it's going to hold it in place for you. So then when you finish your repair, you just very gently go ahead and put everything back on. like so. And don't forget, depending on what you're working on or encountering with your screwdriver, if you're going to be using this bit set, we have so many different options depending on if you're working on electronics like game consoles or phones that have security screws. These bits are very helpful. We have a wide variety and range with this kit and what we're able to work on. So let me share with you my final thoughts in regards to this kit. Overall, I'm very impressed with the build quality, and I love the case that we have that's included with this. It's going to keep everything organized for you, and they're never going to come loose or anything along those lines. I love the magnetized tip ends, and they give us a great selection to get us started with 43 unique pieces, as you can see right here, with a lot of common sizes for you depending on what you're going to be working on. It's a nice kit to get started and have at your disposal to be able to use no matter what project you're using. And did I mention that cool design? I just love this storage case. Really neat, very simple to use, and super practical to have as you're carrying this around in your tool bag, toolkit, or a backpack or something like that. It's going to keep everything in place. I think the only thing I'd want to see in the future included with this would be a screwdriver. It'd be cool to maybe have like a self-ratcheting screwdriver, a couple of handheld tool options. Obviously, a lot of people that are going to be buying this are going to have their own screwdrivers they're going to be using, but I still think it'd be really cool to have a couple of screwdrivers included as well with this kit, just to truly make it an all-in-one kit with nothing else needed. But if you're looking to expand out your bit selection and variety, this is definitely be something that you're going to want to check out. Well, that concludes our video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget, the product link will be in our video description below. Please go ahead, check it out, and do your shopping from there. Any purchase made through that link helps support our channel at no additional cost to you. So we're really grateful and thankful for all of your support. While you're at it, can you go ahead and hit that like button for us? And subscribe to our channel. We have new content coming out daily, and we don't want you to miss anything. Please go ahead and give us a follow online and make it a clean sweep. Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Twitch, TikTok, Discord. You can message us on WeChat, check out our website, and join our free newsletter. Thank you guys so much for being here. Don't forget, new content daily, and we can't wait to see you in our next video.